Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to publish your sales page on MailerLite. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. In the menu on the left, click on Sites. Then, click the Create Landing Page button. You will see a variety of pre-designed templates that you can use for your sales page. Before publishing, use the preview option to view your sales page on both desktop and mobile. Once you are satisfied with your design, click the Publish button. I'm offering a free email list building course in the description below, where you can learn how my team and I generate $3,493 in commissions while growing our email list. The training is completely free right now, so don't miss your chance to check it out. We appreciate your support through watching our video. Thank you for being a valued member of our audience.